Dear students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Question number 1. Find an irrational number between 1 by 7 and 1 by 3. Irrational number between 1 by 7 and 1 by 3. So first of all, we'll convert both these rational numbers in their respective decimal form. So 7 and 1 inside, and on converting 1 by 7 into its decimal form, you can see its value is 0.142857 and it will keep coming. The remainder is not coming 0. Similarly, 1 by 3, on converting it into its decimal form, we will get 0.3333, it keeps coming. So 1 by 7 equals to 0.142857 and 142857, these 6 digits will be repeating. And in converting 1 by 3 into its decimal form, we will get 0.3 bar on 3 because the digit 3 will keep repeating. So we have to observe the very first digit after the decimal is 1 and here the very first digit after decimal is 3. So we have to write an irrational number between 0.1 and 0.3. So here is the required irrational number between 1 by 7 and 1 by 3, which is 0.210100100001, like this. Remember, we can write infinite number of irrational numbers between any two rational numbers. We can write infinite irrational numbers. You can write 0.211 112 1112 11112, like this. Overall, the number should be non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Find two irrational numbers between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. 1 by 7, on dividing we will get 1.142857. 2 by 7 we will get 0.285714. So 1 by 7 equals to 0.142857 and 2 by 7 equals to 0.285714. So the very first decimal place is 1 and here is 2. Another place is 4 and here is 8. So we have to find out two irrational numbers between these two decimal values only. So the required irrational numbers are, according to me, you can change these irrational numbers because there are infinite irrational numbers. So there is no need to learn the answers. You can write your own irrational numbers between the given two numbers. Now next question is, classify the given numbers as rational or irrational. The very first value is 5 minus 3 root 5. Here you can see 5 is a rational number and 3 root 5 is an irrational number. So the difference of an irrational and a rational number is always irrational. Next, 3 plus root 27 minus root 12 plus root 3. 3 as it is. Root 27 can be written as 3 root 3 minus root 12 can be written as 2 root 3 plus root 3. On opening this bracket with this minus sign outside the bracket, we will get 3 plus 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3 and minus root 3. 3 as it is, 3 root 3 as it is, minus 2 root 3 minus root 3 becomes minus ka 3 root 3. Here you can see plus 3 root 3 and minus 3 root 3 is cancelled. We are left with only 3. So this 3, you can see it is a rational number. So don't just see the question. In the question you can find root 27, root 12, root 3. There are many irrational numbers. But on simplifying the values of these irrational numbers and on further solving this question, the leftover final answer is a rational number. So overall, this complete question belongs to a rational number. Thank you.